Hello, today I would like to show you a very interesting device. This is a portable air source. This device is used for a pneumatic bath lift. This device is mostly used by elder people or by disabled when they need to get into bathtub or they want to get out. How to imagine this, because the whole chair is too big to show you here, but you can imagine this like a beach chair, but create from a durable material. You connect an air hose into that unit over here, and this device is going to inflate it to the moment that it's going to be so hard that you can sit on it with your whole body weight, and then you can press the other button. It's going to reverse and it's going to start sucking air into the unit, deflating the chair, and you are going to slowly go down until you hit the bottom of the bathtub, and then you can wash yourself, and by a press of a button you can inflate it again and get out. Very interesting unit. What is a very similar device? The similar device is used by firefighters when they've got something that they need to lift up, like a wall collapse, and you've got a person under. Then you've got this bag, this big, very sturdy bag that I don't know which is made, maybe a Kevlar reinforced. You slide it like a mattress, beach mattress. You hook it up to similar unit. You pump the air, it's inflate, and it's going to lift whatever is desired. You might get feeling that it's going to require a crazy amount of force, a tremendous amount of force, but that's actually not true, because 1 bar of pressure is going to create 1 kilogram per a square centimeter. So with a big surface area, you are going to be able to lift like a couple tons easily with low pressure. So yeah, that's quite interesting. I recommend you checking out Google for other videos for commercial applications, but this is a really nice unit. It is portable, and I fix it by replacing that battery, so now it's fully operational. Here is a main power switch. It have absolutely terrible way of charging, and I'm not sure if you can see that right now. It uses a USB port, exactly the same that you've got on a printer, and this is the charging plug with a USB logo, but you are not going to get 5 volts. You are going to get 30 volts DC. So if you've got couple things under your desk and you are going to grab, oh yeah, that's my printer cable, you put it to the printer, that could be an interesting case. So very crazy idea. Let's power the unit up. So you can see that we've got a battery indicator, and we can inflate it, and it is creating air. If I hit the other button, it's going to reverse and it's going to suck air into. It's not a scary amount of force. As you can see, I can it's not going to hurt me, but you can definitely feel this. But just like I told you, the surface area is creating that crazy amount of force with a low pressure on the other side. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It have a problem with a dead battery, so if your device is not charging, like here, this is the model number. If your device is not charging, then you need to replace two standard 12 volt SLA batteries. This is a 2.2 amp hour, 12 volts. They are connected in series, but that connection is being made inside the body of the unit. Very nice design. I absolutely love this. I hate when I'm fixing like a UPS and we've got a jumper wire. Here you do not have any jumper wires. They are made inside the unit. So you just put the battery. Here you can see here is the unit after opening and closure. As you can see, we've got a clearly marked positive and negative, and all the jumper wires are made inside. And the only thing you have to do is to make sure that you align properly the positive, the negative, the positive. If they are exactly the same, you just slide them into. I put a piece of cardboard to separate them and prevent from rattling. Since we've got the battery fixed, we can now try to turn it on. And for that reason I clear up some space, and this is the actual bath seat element. As you can see, this is form of a plastic canvas bag that is going to be filled with air. You can take a look at the material, quite interesting stuff. I absolutely love this hose connector. It's remind me a space suit that astronauts wear, and they hook up to the cooling system, and it's looking quite similar, so absolutely love it. And this is the another air connector on the other end, and that's going to be plugged into the pump. So let's try to attach it. We're going to locate it and twist. We are connected, and we can try to pump some air. And let's try it. We are going to inflate. And as you can clearly see, it's getting bigger and bigger. And we run out of room, but as you can see, it starts to reassemble a look of a chair. And let's try to deflate it. as you can see, we created vacuum and everything packed up really nicely. So as you can see, we've got a great fix on this very useful device. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.